Sleepwalker, you enter my dreams.
And now anytime I want to change between colour and grayscale, I just press my home button 3 times. Oh, hi there, and congratulations, you've just taken the first step in taking control over your phone rather than your phone controlling you. So the good news is grayscale is super easy to do and super effective. I used to check my phone all through the day. I didn't even know I was doing it. It just became a habit. And grayscale just creates that point of friction, that point of check to go, oh, is what I'm doing here really important? And since I've changed my phone to grayscale, I have a lot more time for my family and the loved ones in my life, and I'm much more productive. So here's the best way to get your phone into grayscale. Go up to settings, and once you're in settings, go to general, then accessibility, and scroll all the way to the bottom until you see accessibility shortcut. From here, choose color filter. Now anytime you want to flip between color and grayscale or grayscale and color, you just push the home button 3 times, and this even works when your phone is locked. So I hope that helps you as much as it helped me. I don't think I was addicted to my phone, but just that small step has made my life a lot better, and such a small change. Just do it.
Sleepwalker, did you ever believe?